Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick install video of a Joker Machine Mini Floorboards on my 2020 Softail Street Bob. So without wasting too much time, let's get to it. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing. There you go. Alright, couple of quick notes here. So, if you notice here, if it'll focus eventually, there's a little hole here. That's where the spring will go into. Now, if you flip it around, there are a couple of hex key screws. These are tightening screws. So once we undo this bolt, you'll have to untighten these two screws to be able to adjust the angle of your pedals once they're on the bike. Alright, so let's go ahead and install it. Alright, so first things first, there's a little retaining clip that we need to remove. So just get a screwdriver and get in there. Pops right out. Alright, put it to the side for now. Pull the pin out and just slowly bend it down because the spring is preloaded. Alright, let's pull the spring out, get the Joker Machine Mini Floorboard, put everything back exactly as it was. Before we do that, we gotta rotate this thing completely up. Put the retaining pin back in. Put the floorboard down. Alright. Check everything. And just get the retaining clip back in place. Once I can get it out. And that's basically it. I bring this a little closer so you have an idea of what it looks like. There's the retaining pin. Alright. Now, like I said, we're going to have to untighten those two retaining screws, hex screws. Untighten that bolt a little bit, and then we should be able to rotate it up and down. The way it is obviously sits right now, that's not going to work. So it has to be moved forward a little bit, or I should say rotated to the left. Okay. Alright guys, let's go ahead and do the second sight.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Now, again, what we're going to do, just going to grab a 1/8 hex bit, untighten the bottom, unfortunately I don't have a specialty key for this, so I'm going to use my long pliers. Now this thing is rotating. I'm going to adjust it. For now, I'm just going to put everything parallel. tighten things up the best I can until I find a proper wrench. Raise this up. Grab your hacks. And tighten. Tighten both sides. So it doesn't rotate on you when you're riding. Alright, this should be good. Nice and tight. Okay. Alright guys, that was a quick install video of a Joker Machine Mini Floorboards. Hopefully this video was useful to some of you. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more install videos. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.